Okay, we're going to Glacier National Park. Who's excited?
Me!
Pop Pop, are you excited? Seedlet! This is the first day it's sunny since we got here.
Hi, brother.
The first time we've seen the sun. Never mind, it's raining again. Look at the sun, mini golf.
Oh,
Hey, there's a grocery store right there, right?
Really?
I love some good mini golf.
Look how pretty it looks out here when it's kind of foggy.
I mean,
Ooh, the
they're
rib.
saying that it is such a choice.
Okay, I'm a terrible vlogger. We went back to Mudman for me and Nana, and Bryce and B got a burrito from a cute little shack. And we don't know what we're doing today because it's rainy and cloudy again. But Rookie and Pop Pop are sleeping. And anything else that I've missed documenting that we need to say? No, that's about it. It's been a very relaxed trip because the weather is poopy. Me and Pop Pop are going to the playground in the rain, huh? Is it raining?
Mom.
Well, everyone finishes their
Mom.
lunch. What?
Listen.
The slide? Oh my gosh, it started to rain hard, huh? It's raining on us. Let's go. Run. Run, 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 go! My goodness. Careful. Did Mom hurt you?
No.
No.
Honey, she's not one bit.
That slide is very fast when it's wet. Did I squish you after we fell down? I did?
No.
You want more?
Yeah.
Do you want
Yeah.
Daddy to squish you?
Yeah. How come she wouldn't go down?
Is there? Should we go to a different park?
Because it's actually super high
A
and
bigger
it's
one?
sopping wet.
Let's go to a bigger park.
You want to go to another park?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell the vlog bye. Say
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye.
Where's your dad? Don't pinch it. Stop. Let it go. Oh no.
What'd she do? What was it? Was it the word?
That's your seat? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Dad gonna start a fire for us? Okay.
I'm ready to die.
B, why don't you go get our marshmallow roasting sticks?
I already got him.
Oh, never mind. They're already out here.
Okay.
Look at your beautiful curly hair after your bath. I love it.
We could have run our hands around them.
What are you doing?
She's starting the fire, huh, sis?
I hope you're burning the ones we didn't win anything on.
No.
You can get the fire going.
Mom!
You know
Moment of truth.
Poppy,
Will
it's
it-
gonna feel really warm.
Will it light
Pup,
fire?
stay by Nana.
Like, it will clearly light fire, but will it last? The one that you see on the first newspaper is always already kind of fading.
Hey, how about you be a little more positive? Gosh, you're going.
Your daughter's clapping for you. She thinks
I know.
you've got it.
Because she knows I got it.
Say, go, Dada, go. Say, you can do it.
Rubbing her belly.
Ooh, hot. Go by Nana. It's hot. Hold Nana.
It's gonna be
Go
so
sit.
warm.
Go sit with Nana. It's very hot.
Has she ever seen a fire?
Yeah, she's been camping quite a few times. Careful. Oh, jeez, Louise, my
Like the
anxiety.
swimming pool. Don't run on the deck. Oh, good job.
Shouldn't we take the rubber covering on this off?
Yes. She's saying bye to the smoke. Bye. You're so sweet.
Oh wow, that's the pieces of the paper are flying away into space.
I like them squishy.
Just a small one with a lot of ice.
We gave up on the fire. But this is more cozy, huh? Is it good? Can't see.
Janet, your face is a mess.
She looks like a Janet.
Mom? Mom.
What?
You were so nice to give each of us a puppy.
What?
So sweet. And she's going like this.
Thanks.
Place to fish.
There's a big fish.
What are you thinking about? Poor Simon. You want bean? Rookie, we have no plan. And it's always cloudy when we get where we're going. Why is it always cloudy? You look so cute today, though. Say, I'm 3 months old. I'm 3 months old. Four or three? We came to lunch. Rookie, are you gonna get some lunch? What are you gonna get for lunch? What? Oh, that pig. It's a pig?
Can I try that homemade root beer? Whatever. Taco? No? Or do you want to try some of this meat with mine?
I'm just gonna get this.
Show.